Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand Coulombs law in a very simple manner. Before starting the video, please subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, please like it on the channel and share to your friends. Okay, let us start. Coulombs law. First of all, read the statement very carefully. It states that the force of attraction and repulsion means here there is a force, we are talking about a force of attraction or repulsion between the two charges, means there are two charges separated by a distance r. Okay, means there are two charges separated by a distance r is directly proportional to the product of charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between the charges. Okay, so first of all, we will draw the case. Okay, so here let us take one charge and one another charge, name it. One is Q1, another is Q2, and the distance between these two charge is, let us take R. We can take it R. Okay, so these are two charges. Now there are two cases. Force of attraction in the case if the polarity of these two charges are different. Okay, means if Q1 is positive, Q2 is negative, then the force will be attractive. The Q2 will be positive, Q1 will be negative. On that case also it will be attractive. Means for different polarities. For same polarities, means both Q1 and Q2 are positive. In that case, the force will be repulsive. And on the other hand, if Q1 and Q2 are negative, in this case also the force will be repulsive. Okay. Now, this force will depend upon the charges and the distance. So the relation given is the force is directly proportional to the product of charges. So let us write, let F is the force. Okay. According to statement, it is proportional. Here proportionality I have to draw. Proportional to the charges, means magnitude of the charges. So Q1 and Q2. Okay. It is directly proportional. Means if this magnitude will increase, the force will increase. If the magnitude will decrease, the force will decrease. Ahead, it is also, the force is also inversely, means 1 by, inversely proportional to the square of distance, means r square. Okay, the square of distance between the charges. This means that if r will increase, means distance of separation increases, the force will decrease at square rate. If r will decrease, the force will increase at square rate. Okay. Now combining these two relations, first one and second one, we can write F is equal to, sorry, it is not equal, it is proportional. After putting constant we can say, but now here it is proportional to there are two things given. One is Q1, Q2, and another is R square in the denominator. Okay, and the unit is newtons. Okay, so we can write the unit later on also. Now we know for removing this sign of proportionality, we have to put a constant to remove this sign. So F is equal to K. The sign is K, the constant is K. Now it is equal, okay? Q1, Q2 by R square. So it is the relation for force between the two charges, okay? Now for this constant K, the value of the constant K is 1 by, it is 1 by 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by epsilon naught. Okay, here epsilon naught is what? Actually I have to draw this epsilon naught. So epsilon naught is what? It is permittivity. It is permittivity of the free space. Okay, it is what? Permittivity of the free space, and its value is given by, it is constant, because for free space the relative permittivity is what? 1, and it is equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, so this is the relation for permittivity as well as for absolute permittivity, because this epsilon is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r, where in this case epsilon r is 1, so we can only take this epsilon naught. Okay, so putting this value of epsilon naught in this relation of k, calculate k. What will be the value of k? So after calculation, k come out, it is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, so this is the value of k finally, and at last we can also write f is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 as k, it is the value of k. Now q1, q2 by r square. So it is a very simple relation for Coulombs law. If you have any doubt, here is the unit is Newton. Okay, the unit is Newton in this case. So I am writing here Newton. Okay, N. So if you have any doubt, You can ask me in the comment box, and please suggest me about the lecture. You can like the lecture, please subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you very much.